It's your girl Angela over at Angela's Southern Comfort Dishes. The dish I'm bringing to you today is pork ribs. I've had them marinating and sitting in the refrigerator in my sheet pan. I'm baking them on top of parchment paper, as you can see. I've already seasoned my ribs. And what we have on here is my special barbecue rub. If you're interested in that, it is on sale for $10.99. Also, I have my garlic powder, my Maggie Pollo, black pepper, and onion powder. Let me show you those seasonings. So this is my onion powder. I don't know if you can see that well. Okay, cool. Okay, then we have our black pepper. Okay. We have our Maggie Pollo. And this is good on any pork. I don't know if you get a good shot of that in the camera. This is good on any pork meat, okay? Let me put it closer. That's it. That's a good way to do it. Okay. And then we have our garlic powder. Okay. And then, of course, my favorite seasoning. And like I said, if you like to purchase it, it's $10.99. You're going to love it. Okay. So now my stove is already set, preheated at 450 degrees. I'm going to cook my ribs for about, let's say, an hour and 10 minutes. I like to cook my ribs until they're nice and tender and the bones are falling out of my meat. Okay. So we're going to get these fresh in the oven and we'll be back. Okay. As soon as these are done. Hello, everyone. Okay, so our ribs are done. They're out of the oven. Okay, I have my homemade barbecue sauce here. I just finished whipping it together, putting it together. It tastes amazing. My barbecue sauce will be available coming soon, hopefully by the end of next month. And the price and the barbecue sauce will be uploaded. I'll tell you guys when it'll be available for sale soon. However, our ribs are done. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and glaze them with the sauce, the homemade barbecue sauce. And then what we're going to do is get them back in the oven to let them, get a good glaze on them, okay? All right, let me set this down here. So we're going to get our pastry brush. It is so sweet. It is so good. You're going to love this barbecue sauce, y'all. Trust me when I tell you, y'all going to be in love with this barbecue sauce. Mm-hmm. Just gonna glaze them, get a good old perfect glaze on them. I like to try new things, so I put my ribs for the first time on parchment paper today, and it helped me a heck of a lot with baking because now your pan is not all sticky and gooey with that meat juice. You still have to wash it and dry it, of course, but you don't have all that extra stuff on there because of the parchment paper that it cooked on. It was a perfect idea to try. So when you're baking meats like ribs or chicken or pork chops or something like that, try parchment paper, baking it on parchment paper. It was a good movement today to do. These ribs smell so good and the sauce smells so good. I had to keep tasting the sauce. The sauce tastes amazing. It really does. I can't wait for you guys to try it. I still have my stove set to 350, so I'll put these back in there for about a good 15 minutes. Let them get a good glaze on them. And then when they come out the oven, I'll let them stand for about 15 minutes, and then we'll serve for dinner. They're seasoned so well. All the ingredients will be down below in the description under the video for what I use on the ribs to season my ribs. Now, when I season my ribs, I clean my ribs. Now, I forgot to mention that earlier. When I was doing my ribs, I always remove the membrane from the back of my ribs. Okay. I also clean my ribs with lemon juice and warm water. Okay, that's how I like to do mine. And then what I did is I add my seasonings and I let it marinate overnight in the refrigerator covered up with foil. So that's what I did. Let those spices get on in there on that meat and give it such a good flavor. And honey, this house was smelling so good on those ribs when they were cooking. Sure did. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And you know, They so tender because I got meat falling off the bone on these ribs. I'm quite sure you guys can see that. Just use your good old pastry brush. If you don't have one, just get your spoon and just spoon it over there on your ribs the way you like it. If you like a lot of sauce, and you put accordingly how you like it. I like to make mine a little thick because when it lays on my ribs, I like a good old fashioned juicy country rib, amen? Okay, so just got one more to do. Honey, it smells so good. I did the darn thing on this barbecue sauce, honey. I can't wait for the children to taste it. Y'all taste it, honey, when Mama get this barbecue sauce up and running for sale, honey. Can't wait for y'all to taste it. This is what you want, sugar. This is what you want. Mama want to be able to feed the children something good, honey. When you got a Georgia peach on board, honey, knowing what you're doing, Mama wants to feed the kids, honey. All right, I'm just about to the end here. All right, now you can save this in a jar if you have a good old clean jar that you have. You can put this in one of your clean jars, like if you have an old jelly jar, you clean it out real good with some soapy hot water and let it air dry for about 2 or 3 days. But in the meantime, you just cover this up in a bowl, honey, put it in the refrigerator. Y'all don't have to do nothing special. Y'all know how we were raised, honey. Okay? All right, here we go. Clean that up. I'll get this over to the trash in just a moment. All right, and Mama show the children the ribs, honey. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see the ribs, honey? Yes, Jesus Lord. Y'all see them, baby? Yes, Lord. Amen. 1, 2. Okay, Mama will be back when the ribs come out the oven in about 15 minutes. Hey, everyone. Okay, so our ribs are done and out of the oven. Honey, I tried my best not to eat them. They smell so good. Smell so good, but I did have a rib that the bone fell completely off. I ate it. Honey, I was trying not to go back and eat the rest of them, okay? I'm trying to feed the children, okay? And I want to feed y'all too, okay? So that's why I kept it together, all right? Amen. So here are our ribs. And Mama pick them up and show them to you, sweetie. Yeah. That's what Mama did today for the children, honey. Yes, Lord. Y'all see that right there? And these are beautiful. Well, she did that, baby. She did that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about. Y'all want some? Y'all want some? Y'all come get some. Come on over. Yes, Lord, baby. Yes. This completes my pork rib demonstration, barbecue pork rib demonstration. Let me know what you think about this recipe, all of the ingredients, and the way that I did it. I'll leave all the full details beneath the bottom of this video. And I'd love for you all to try it. You're going to love it. And honey, when Mama barbecue sauce come out next month, honey, Mama gonna let y'all children know, honey. And trust me when Mama say, y'all gonna be coming back for more. You ain't gonna have to wait for the 4th of July. You don't need to run down to the neighborhood grocery store, honey. Mama got y'all covered. Trust me, it's a Georgia thing. Mama got y'all covered, baby. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Please share my page, share my videos. I appreciate you all. Until the next time I bring you another one of my Southern Comfort dishes, stay safe. Bye now. Y'all stay safe out there because Mama want to see y'all come back here. I ain't playing with y'all. Mama want to see y'all come on back. All right now. Mama talk to you later.